So how do you use content to generate sales for your business? In this video, I'm going to break down each and everything that I have learned over my 10 years of creating, of selling, and my 1 year of creating content. This is part of a 7 video series where I talk about the 7 different ways that you can make sales for your business. For those of you that want to watch all the 7 tips, check out the link. It's somewhere in the corner here. You'll be able to access all that. And it's absolutely free. For those that don't know, my name is Kenneth Ntende, and over the past 10 years, all I have been doing is selling. I have sold to businesses in Africa, in Europe, and in the United States of America. And because I've been able to sell thousands of companies, it gives me the best expertise to better guide you on how to get the best results out of this very topic of content. So let's get started. Based on my expertise, there are 3 main components that you need to focus on in order to get the best sales out of your content. Thing number 1 is you need to understand the mathematics. At least this is based on my expertise. What I tend to see out there is, even me myself, I used to post once a week. I would do this one video and post it and expect that one video to go and produce all sorts of wonders. Because I was special. But I quickly realized that everyone that I aspired to be like, all the content creators out there that were making the most value, were posting a lot more. Some people are posting 5 times a day, 10 times a day. So in order for you to get the best results out of this, you need to do like how the people that are winning are doing. If they're posting 5 times a day, why not post 5 times a day? Now, out of the research I've been doing, I've noticed there are 2 parts. Path number 1 is you could choose to do more. There are some people that are saying, you know what, I'm going to post every day and I'm going to post 4, 5, 6, 7, if possible 10 times, but that depends on the platform. Some platforms penalize you for that. But for TikTok, you can post as much as you'd like, because the more you post, the more the opportunity you create, the better the audience that you reach. Then there are other people who are choosing to go the better quality route, whereby they understand that the people that are producing quality videos, very nice videos with nice storylines and everything working together, are very few. So they will use an entire week, come up with 2 or 3 videos, but the quality of those videos, how you're telling the story, the concept behind this entire thing is so good that even you would want to watch the entire thing the moment it's published. So that really depends on you as a business and what makes sense for you, because it's very easy to pick up a phone, just like this, and shoot and publish that video in 10 minutes. Quite easy. So if that route is easier for you, then do that. If the route of creating much better quality works better for your brand, then it's important that you also do that, because each of these has shown to pay results. Now, the second thing you need to understand, out of my experience, is you need to focus more on giving value first. Just because you sell digital marketing, it doesn't mean that every video you talk about should be telling people, I do digital marketing, I do digital. People don't like being sold to. Reverse that and talk more about the challenges that that person could face. What are they trying to achieve? Are they trying to grow their sales? Are they trying to get their next lead? Those are the things you should be talking about, because by talking about their problem, you're going to attract watchers that are looking to resolve that problem. And by trying to sell to them, you're going to actually repel those people, push them further from you. So my expertise with this is, first of all, focus on giving value first. Then only after you have given value, maybe 1, 2, 3 times, maybe on the 4th time, that's when you come and ask. That balance needs to be accorded, because even you yourself, if I just woke up from morning and I'm telling you I gym, I help you gym, I help you get in shape, you're going to get agitated. It's a natural thing. You're going to get angry at that. So find out of giving some value first before you. Even me, at some point, all I used to do was that. And I noticed the sales weren't there. Now that I'm giving value, on average, you get 60, 70 messages a week coming in. And this is creating sufficient business at the end of the day. And the final thing is, pay attention to the analytics. Social media has done this thing where the only main metric that people are paying attention to is how many views am I getting? But that is one of the worst metrics. You may notice that, as an example, you'll get 100 views, 200 views, but the people watching your content will be watching it 5 seconds. Meaning, if there is any point you're trying to deliver inside that video, no one is going to get it if your average watch time is a few seconds. So get intentional about understanding what metrics make the most sense to you. I mean, if you can focus on things like watch time, how often are people watching, and what's the average length that someone is watching your video? Just by doing that, you'll notice that if I can improve how long people are taking my video from watching my video from 30 seconds to 2 minutes, even the views will increase. So dig a bit deeper, seek professional assistance from people that are in this space to just guide you, because if you pay attention to just the views, you'll lose a lot. You'll lose a lot of insight, which is intended to help you improve. Now, from my 10 years of selling and my 1 year of creation of content, I've noticed these are the three main things that you need to pay attention to. Once you can refine those three, your numbers will begin skyrocketing. That's all from me, folks. Don't forget, this is part of an entire series where I'm talking about all the 7 different ways that you can get sales for your business. If you'd like to check out how cold calling works, check out the video right here. And for those of you that want to watch all the 7 ways, check out my YouTube channel and my TikTok channel. Bye bye for now.